Lead her home, Dad.
"12 minutes before the water reaches their egg chamber."
That path swallowed the rescue team last flood season.
That is why this time, no one moves blind.
Objective: open the route. Pull the fire ants to high ground.
The East Grass Bridge is broken. Only the bamboo route remains.
The water is pulling my feet backward.
Watch the water before you watch the path.
The terrain changed. One wrong branch sends us into a flooded mouse hole.
The outer chamber has failed.
"3 degrees off, and the whole team slams into the roots."
The rope holds one crossing at a time. Move fast! The line is secure. Cross now!
Don't go out, please.
While the shield stands, the path lives.
Did the crickets come to watch or to pull us out?
Set the argument aside. How long do the eggs have?
4 minutes. Then this chamber becomes a water pocket.
Not one by one. We move the whole raft.
Your shield does more than block. It floats.
I can hold it for a little while. Do not let the rope slacken.
I am losing strength.
It is not only overflow. The whole nest is lifting off its base.
Abandon the raft plan. We go vertical!
There is a way. Narrow. Against the wind. I can still hold it. I will light the way.
Larvae first. Fighters last. At this pace, we will not make it.
Opening that gate invites the flood in.
I lose my colony if we wait.
No one is left behind.
Hold the angle! Do not let the shield turn!
I have the support line! Escape path open! The team is separated!
The rope is not long enough to reach Mun.
Your shoulder cannot take that force anymore!
Pull my colony up. I hold the line.
Mon, look at the light, not the water.
Hold the egg against your chest!
This time, no one else.
Hold the egg against your chest! I can hold you! Everyone to the mouth! Do not look back! We made it up.
The fire ant house owes the cricket house its life.
We did not save them alone. We kept each other from the water. When the water rises, no nest survives alone.